A very good morning to our lecturer, Sir Ahmad. My name is Lydia Natasha. Today, my group members and I would like to present our proposal for a community project to help students during the pandemic. And these are my group members, Angeline, Hoon, Ying, and Tracy. Okay, so first of all, our project comes with the title Visual Workshop Enlightening Your Way. Here is the brief side of our project. It will be conducted on the 24th January 2021, which is on Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Participants can join from everywhere that has internet connectivity because it will be conducted fully online. Let's begin with the background of this project. How do we come up with this project? Online learning has been enforced to help break the chain of spreading the coronavirus. Somehow, students are still struggling to adapt with this e-learning in terms of their preparation and maintaining productivity. Means and NISA, in the National Survey of Undergraduates during the COVID-19 pandemic, said that the undergraduate students struggle to remain motivated and miss to receive feedback from instructors and collaborate with fellow friends. Thus, we would like to deliver visual workshops for this project to help the students of UNIMAS so that they are ready to give full participation in online classes. Next, the statement of needs for this project. According to Angdiri in the Jakarta Post page, many students that are participating in the online learning also say that the workload of online classes is larger than of regular classes. Thus, this requires the students to equip themselves with knowledge and skills on computer to finish the works, make tasks easier, and not much time consuming. We believe this workshop is benefits to the new intake of pre-university and first-year undergraduate students. Why? Because some of the new students are still ignorant of using electronic devices and software to accomplish their tasks. There are numbers of students that are unaware of the free software that the university has provided, such as the Microsoft Office. Not only that, but there are also some students who are just not familiar with using certain software and platform for video editing, for instance, that they have to spend time to explore it themselves. This can conclude that lack of preparation and skills in assessing the technologies for online learning can have a negative impact towards these students, as this situation can cause pressure and accelerate stress. To fulfill these needs, our talk, event, and management team of Sasbadi Holding Berhad would like to collaborate with the Dell Computer Company Malaysia to organize a workshop called Visual Workshop Enlightening Your Way for the purpose of providing tutorials for the students to develop skills and competencies for online learning, as well as implementing some basic knowledge on software for them to excel in studies and maintain good academic achievement. Next, I'd like to hand this presentation to Kusini. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kosi and my matrix number is 66399. Today, I will present my parts for the goals and objectives. Goal 1. To organize a workshop that can help first-year and pre-year students of UNIMAS develop the skill and competencies needed during COVID-19 pandemic, and in particular to ensure that learners have the digital literacy skill required in their discipline, profession, or career. Objective number 1. To help students enhance the skill in using software such as video recording, editing and presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel that will take average 1 hour for each session. Number 2. To teach the student how to use the online class platforms such as Zoom Meeting, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meets. The second goal is to provide a workshop that can help to build teamwork between our team members, students, and staff of Sasbadi Holding Berhad. The objective is first, to encourage the student bravely to ask questions when they don't understand, share their ideas, and communicate with each other. Second, to train the student to have the ability to work together to solve problems in an effective and timely manner without any impediments. Third, The staff get feedback and listen to suggestions from the students that can help to improve the performance of the workshop.
Hello, and my name is Angeline, and I'm going to present about the description of the project. Our project title is Virtual Workshop Enlightening Your Way. For the summary of the proposed program, we focus on helping students with online classes, especially first-year students of UNIMAS, on how to use any online classes platform such as Webex, Zoom Meeting, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. The activities that are included in this program are briefing about online classes, tutorial to use the online classes platform for a video presenting or conduct a meeting, and tutorial on using the software application. For the location, this project will be conducted online. Any student that wants to join this virtual learning can join it through the link provided in the poster. They can attend this program at any location that has good internet connection. This program will be conducted using Cisco Webex meeting. Mock link will also be provided and as stated as below. For the date and time, this project will be conducted on 24th of January 2021, which is on Sunday. This date is chosen because there is no class on Sunday and we expect that all students are free on this day. This program will start at 8:30 a.m. For our target community are mainly first year students since this is their first time to attend online classes, and also for students of UNIMAS. They are at faculties which are Faculty of Resource Science and Technology, Faculty of Social Science, Faculty of Cognitive Science and Human Development, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Applied and Creative Arts, and Faculty of Computer Science and Information Technology, and also Faculty of Medicine and Health Science and Faculty of Economic and Business. For our main collaborators for our program is Dell Computer Company Malaysia. Dell Computer Company Malaysia is a company that has created many computer models and their accessories. They decided to collaborate with us to make sure that students have complete electronic devices and are able to help them to use those electronic devices. For our committee members, for the event director is Alex Wilson. Our program coordinator is Lydia, Natasha, venue coordinator will be Hoon. Official coordinator is Tracy. Merchandising coordinator is Ying, and equipment coordinator is me, Angeline Bong. For SWOT analysis, our strength is we are young community with a background of event experience that can help other students with online classes and other software application. We have great collaborators that can help us to make this program more successful. We have more interesting tips in software technology in a more affordable way and easier. For our weakness, time shortage to conduct this program and there is no face-to-face interaction with participants due to COVID-19 pandemic. Our opportunities is to help new students that are not used to software technology, help students virtually even without face-to-face workshop to help them able to follow SOP since we are conducting this program virtually, and able to help students to reduce their expenses during online learning. For the threats, probability for the internet connection being disrupted due to bad weather for both the host and the participants. It is quite challenging to give tutorials virtually.
Next, I will present my parts for the promotional plans. Social media. The promotion of our program Enlightening Your Way through social media will be done for a month started from 15 December 2020 until 15 January 2021. The announcement about the Enlightening Your Way program will be updated every day on social media platforms such as Facebook page and Instagram. Printed media. The banner will be hung at the Faculty of Language and Communication. The main banner will hang starting on 15 December until the workshop ends. We have printed 300 flyers. For the student of UNIMAS, we give away by using poster online. For the public people, Our team will distribute these flyers on a weekday, which is Wednesday and Thursday on 16 December and 17 December at the sprint coaching in the morning. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning. Let's move on to the operational budget. The expenditure of this workshop is divided into 6 areas. There are material, logistics, fees and render, publicity, refreshment, and token of appreciation. For your information, the approximate cost for this workshop is 4,421 ringgit 50 cents, and it is still in the range that's sponsored by our company, Saspati Holding Berhad, which is a total of 5,000 ringgit. Next, these are the anticipated outcome or the impact by the end of this workshop. First, establish a strong team bond among the staff of Saspati Holding Berhad. Second, promotes our company's image and visibility. Third, help the Unima student, especially those in the first year, to get used to the online learning during the pandemic, as well as build up a computer skill among them so that they can complete their following semester smoothly with flying colors. Lastly, we believe that by going through this workshop, there will be a positive improvement in the emotional resilience of university students while in remote learning. As a consequence, this can in turn help in the decrease in commit suicide case, like what has just happened to one of the students from USM. That's all from me, thank you, and I will pass this to Tracy to continue the presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Tracy no Anak Empak, and I'm going to present to you about the tentative program of this workshop. Our team planned that this workshop will start at 9 a.m. and will be end at 5 p.m. Due to the pandemic, our team will hold this workshop online and the link will be distributed. The link will be open at 8:30 a.m. The team members, together with the pre-university and the first year students, will arrive around 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. While waiting for the workshop to start, the team member and the students can meet and greet each other. At 9 a.m., the invited guests will arrive. Invited speaker start her talk at 9 a.m. and was predicted to end her talk at 10 a.m. The invited speaker will deliver her talk about the importance of basic knowledge of using a software, especially during online learning, motivate and encourage the student that may have facing difficulties during online learning. At 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m., a photo session will be held as a memory. Every student will open their webcam. Starting at 10:15 a.m., the team members will hold a short briefing about the introduction, objective and the tentative of the workshop to the students so that they have a clear image about what they will learn. The first activity will start at 10:30 a.m. and was planned to end at 11:30 a.m. The first activities is to teach the student how to use the Microsoft Words and making presentation slides and video recording using PowerPoint. The second activities is to guide the student how to use the Excel, especially in plotting, interpreting data, and construct charts based on the data. This activity will be held for 1 hour starting from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. All the team members and the students were directed to lunch and having a short break at 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. After having a lunch and a short break, this workshop will start again at 1:30 p.m. and the next activity is to guide the students to organize a meeting or make a presentation using online platforms such as Webex and Zoom. At 2:30 p.m. to 2:45 p.m., a short introduction to the students about the video editing apps that can be accessed through Play Store or free from websites such as InShot, KineMaster, and Filmora. At 2:45 p.m. to 4 p.m., the team members will present a slide regarding a video making. The purpose of this activity is to guide the students to edit and compile video using video application for their video assignments. At 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., the team members will share with the students about the mobile data plan for the students and show a step to purchase the data. This is really important for the students as it can save their money as the mobile data plan may be cheaper than the usual plan and some are given free. A question and answering session between the team members and the students regarding all the activities will be held from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Once everything is done, the team members, the pre-university and the undergraduate students from Unimas can disperse at 5 p.m. That is all about the tentative of this program. Now, I will present to you our poster. Here is our poster. We promote this poster through social media platforms such as Facebook page and Instagram starting from 15 December 2020 until 15 January 2021. The link of the meeting was also stated in the poster for easy access. We have done our presentation and I will conclude this presentation on behalf of my teams. Overall, this presentation is to show you the objective, process and our hopes in this workshop. During this pandemic, we believe some students are facing difficulties in online study due to several restrictions. That's why we came out with this program, as the main objective of this workshop is to help the students to improve their skills on using software and online class platforms. Besides, the objective is to boost confidence, teamwork spirit among students and the staff, and also to help our staff to get a better feedback for a better performance in future. With the help and some encouragement from the special guests, might help to increase the students' interest in the online learning and stay motivated. Other than that, we're really thankful to our company, Buddy, for providing 5,000 ringgit, and our team managed to plan the approximate cost of this workshop, which is 4,421 ringgit and 50 cents. It is under the budget. And not to be forgotten, we really appreciate Dell Malaysia for their willingness to collaborate with us to organize this workshop. We really hope that this event will successfully organized and went well according to plan. The most important is that we really hope that this workshop can help the students to cope with online learning so that they know that online learning can also be fun. That's all from our teams. Thank you.